introducing Colin Fisher.
Hello?
The mic stand or the volume level?
No, it should be okay. Yeah, it should be good. Thanks. Hi, I'm Colin. The poem I'm going to read to you tonight is definitely more of a rhyme structure. I prefer writing a free verse or non-linear structure. This is just an attempt to try something different points. And my only warning is it may cause sensory overload. Okay. Is anybody listening? Okay. More and more I comprehend its heads to spin. I'm the dialectologist, unifying diction, catharsis of global affliction, tear away at flesh without addiction to illusion, confusion, fuse the particles in action, undetermined faction and reaction to the oral assault. Your true pride and afraid, no bother to pray. No Jesus, Allah, Buddha can save. If the man inside is a slave, don't behave under duress, condition, submissive ambition, and the first truth is self-evident. Absorb the content with my consent, there is no form to follow. You fox of duck, or you'll get sprayed, played many spade. That compromise the cerebral hemispheres, bring us to tears, to lose the clout, now without doubt, an apprehension of lead fed by like cryogenic masses. They pass the gases that lost a second wind. There is no way it seems, but supported by dour streams and golden moonbeams that transcend and extend tripping consciousness. A homemade blend, smoke, ego revoked, caught in the lab's work of shamanistic birth, dearth of materialistic apparition, phantasm, no pharisee. This is not a farce, a profundity of experience in Mondays like jaundice. Sadness for the aggregate is poor reflection, inspection of the nature of connection, confabulation of events, simultaneous vanish to no advantage. Crawl before you walk and listen before you talk. The conductors of the superior nonlinear perspective, the connective undifferentiated tissue issued, below the word from above or below the undertow, functions as control, casing, culminating calamity, didactyl tactics, tactical dielectric containment, unit within facade, a vessel blood flows through vein of pain, the reign of your father is in vain. Pope on theological dope, junkie ambition to gain control over addiction never happens outside influence. Rejected, monumented, erected, not directed in reflected form, showing abscess. Don't stress absorption band, material application, conductor multiplex conversation with an astrophysical mind in and outside of time. Escape through frequency vibration, elation within spirit of contagion. I atrophy from unknown transmission, my commission forever unpaid. Because my day is done before I do. Anything is right, everything is wrong. Sing the song of suffering and it won't be long before you find a procession of words and tongue become too great and slay below the earth till you reach your birth. But until cold hands are reached, we must teach without perversion. Copulated with insane brains, capable of infinite refrain. The mind is not calculated or contrived. The now where I found my rootless terror. My heart is here, although it is crushed, too often report. The subconscious action accord. To the experiencing flippers who are constrained, not made by the constituency or the general foundation and their masturbation. I construe the intentions of philosophical truths and contempt the stem of the main direction. By contention and continuance to distract. So they contract the virus of wisdom. Dogmatized by the will to be damned. Contingency of counter-minded contentment in universe without solid fronts, like the ways in which you perpetrate with continents where friends feel no freedom for expression. The depression is deep. Gnostic waters seep slowly through Huxley's doors perceived. Soon believed or known through business, not business or busyness, but for the place where traffic dies and eyes and no lies perforate through unconscious receptors, rejectors from elsewhere send the jolt. God's lightning bolt cannot shut off input nor cranial generate operational. The slaves do not protest, not to the test, but to sit in that swelling transcendence, resplendence of ecstatic matter, shattered chemical cage. The wage is without worth. In mirth of mind, I grind the gears in tears of joy. Not boy, but man, I ran from cure one stop with vertigo tracks and maxed out because of light and realization I made a relation of solipsism. The schematic schism, division of forces with their own skull, the dull blade of objectives that he rose and seen sanity institutionalized. Surprise, media killer, mind driller, blood spiller, composing other intent, bent label of men over culture and social intellect. Dissect the dialect covered with the latest latex. The word cannot be heard. Where is the prophetic guidance among the incoming triumphs of false prophets? These prophets are substantial sums. Let's keep the slums full of ones running under false hope and dope of faith, money into the pains of hunger. Linger on the rag and sack, tired back, tied to the rack, stretching patience. The patient reveals the source of bourgeois aristocratic class peers who believe they tower above. No white dove of peace exists until it becomes yourself. Delve into the abyss and feel the hiss of snake who waits amongst the other creatures, oblivious to The naive who die as prey. We cannot stay only return trapped in strats, so don't laugh and fall, because this is a story so flawed, no different from the rest of the best. Every new book, new grave, new day. The shadow following my walk collapses in atrophying movement, turns to moth flight. The moment is alive, everything else is dead precedent. Like words, ink the embalmer, fuck these dead cadavers. Their inspirations revive like junk messengers of ecstatic influence. Tattoo the reflection of my skin with ego blood. Thank you.